these are the best friends I could ever have. They look after me and they feed me. It's feeding me kid.
We are cooking up a feast of food that is made by surplus food from supermarkets. We parcel it all up into takeaway boxes and then take it all down to the Bridge Centre in Hyson Green, which is where we give out the food. We decided that it was really important for our two communities to come together to do something good for the city of Nottingham and to be visibly working together against perceived barriers. It certainly is a wider held belief that Jews and Muslims don't get on, and we wanted to prove that that wasn't the case.
I think it's a great thing for the communities to help in the most vulnerable. What unites better than food, you know?
You do come together with people you wouldn't normally perhaps come together with so much in the ordinary course of the day, and there's no barriers. It's just very pleasant.
So we used to normally get about 70 or 80 meals out, whereas during the pandemic we now get about 160, 150, sometimes even 170 meals out. The Duchess's contribution has been a lifesaver for many people. Those funds have allowed us to deal with the constant increase, and for that we're massively grateful.
To many in the local community it's a very big thing. There's a lot of people in many areas that would like an asset like that around.
I was homeless by myself 2 months ago. You can see this is like a family. We're chatting, we're laughing at each other. They're amazing. Yeah, really they're amazing.